Cubans, a lot of homeless. And
Really?
yeah, they get stuck down there because they want to get into that island life and party and all that kind of stuff, and then
They used to have. You guys are too much fun. They used to have courtesy cars that said like Trump 1, Trump 2, Trump 3, and people kept stealing the license plates, so they quit getting personalized plates on there.
That's pretty nice.
that's funny.
That was supposed to be.
2024 goes.
That was supposed. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. I'm voting for him as many times as I can.
I voted for him every time.
Look, this guy got upset that you cut him off.
Oh,
I
he
was trying to
woke
do the
up.
same to you.
He woke up.
He's gonna hit that thing with the mirror. Wow, look at
Oh,
That
man.
was actually really close.
What's it? He's getting out.
that. Okay.
He is getting out.
So what's going on?
You say something?
I was mad at him for cutting him off. Maybe, well, not me. Hey.
Oh, wow.
That solved something.
Create 7. Okay. I know the guy that owns that. It's actually, her name is Dixie.
Yeah.
Is that the one we turned around?
Was that the guy that was sleeping?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that was the guy. Yeah, that was the same guy. Amazing.
With the nuts on him for $9 an hour, huh?
Yeah, $9. Well, look, he doesn't he look like a $9 an hour worker?
Yeah. Ah, right. Probably half ground.
Enjoy your afternoon.
Gee whiz.
Nothing?
Holy moly.
Welcome to Vegas.
Anyway,
I think that's
could be.
what it is.
Could be, yeah. Holy moly. What do we got going on here? Okay, hi, honey. Yeah, nice.
She's got a
Oh,
lot
that's
more to
nice.
sell than that.
Yeah, that's nice. She's got Ponderosa.